Welcome students. Let us see a very interesting question from the chapter sets. As we have discussed in the previous videos that set can be represented in two different forms. One is set builder form, another is tabular form or roster form. So questions may be asked to convert one form to another form of the sets. So accordingly this question is here. Write the following sets in the set builder form. Actually these sets are given here in tabular form or which is known as roster form also, and we have to convert all these three sets in set builder form. Very simple, very interesting. Let us see how we can do it. So let us see first part. You see, just we have to observe the elements and we have to understand the common properties of all these elements that we have to be supposed to mention in the set builder form. So this is 41, 43, 47. What is the pattern of this question? What is the common property of all the numbers? Of course, these are odd numbers, but it is better to say that all these numbers are prime numbers lying between 40 and 50. Between 40 and 50, only these three prime numbers exist. So just we have to recognize the common property of all the elements, and that should be written in the set builder form. So here this set in the set builder form we can write X is an element of this set such that X is a prime number and X lies between 40 and 50. That's all. This is the answer. Clear? Now we'll see second question. -2 and 2. How we can write it? We can write it like this: X such that X square is equal to 4. That's all. Because -2 square is 4 as well as 2 square is 4. So in this way we try to understand the common property, which property should be mentioned in the set builder form, and this property will represent all the elements. Okay. So this is the answer for the second part. And here third part, 1 by 2, 2 by 3, 3 by 4, 4 by 5, 5 by 6, 6 by 7. Here we are observing that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 all are natural numbers in consecutive sequence starting from 1 up to 6, and denominator is, all the denominators are one more than the respective numerators. This is 1 plus 1, this is 2 plus 1, this is 3 plus 1, this is 4 plus 1, this is 5 plus 1, this is 6 plus 1. So you understood what is the pattern of these elements of the set. So here this set we can write like this, that X such that X is equal to n by n plus 1, where n belongs to the set of natural number and n greater than equal to 1 and less than equal to 6. So if we see this property, n belongs to the set of natural number, n starting from 1 to 6, so we are getting all these elements. If n is equal to 1, this is 1 by 2. If n is equal to 2, this is 2 by 3, and so on. Okay. So this is the answer for the third part of this question. So questions are very simple, very interesting, but sometimes asked in your examinations also. So we need to understand it properly. So students, we have to see some more interesting and important problems in other videos to come. So keep watching these videos and enjoy learning mathematics. Thank you very much.